Have you ever pondered the untapped power that resides within you, the energy that connects you to the universe? This isn't just a philosophical musing, it's a recognition of a profound reality. You are not just a physical being, but an entity of dynamic energy, a radiant force that echoes the vibrancy of the cosmos itself. This internal energy, often referred to as chi or prana, isn't merely an abstract concept. It's a tangible force, a pulsating current of life that courses through you. It forms an intricate web of connections that intertwines your existence with the universe. This energy is the key that unlocks the door to the quantum world, the realm of atoms and particles, where the rules of traditional physics are rewritten and the impossible becomes possible. Quantum events are phenomena occurring at the universe's smallest scale, yet they have significant implications on a macro level, influencing the reality we experience. The fascinating interplay between your internal energy and these quantum events is like a cosmic dance, where each step, each twirl, each leap is a ripple that shapes the fabric of your existence. But to influence this dance, to choreograph the steps and guide the rhythm, you must first become aware of your internal energy. It's like learning to feel the beat of a song, to tune into its rhythm and let it guide your movements. This awareness is your compass, your guiding star in the vast cosmos of your internal energy landscape. Once you've awakened to this energy, the next crucial step is learning to direct it with intention. Just as a river's flow can be directed to turn a mill or generate electricity, your energy can be channeled to create tangible changes in your reality. Intention is the rudder that steers your energy, the lens that focuses it towards your desired outcome. But remember, intention isn't a mere thought or wish. It's a commitment, a declaration of purpose that resonates with the vibrational frequency of your desires. Imbued with emotion and fueled by action, it's a powerful catalyst that can amplify the impact of your internal energy. Harnessing this internal energy is the first step to creating quantum events in your reality. Welcome to this journey of discovery, where you'll learn to tap into your power, manipulate your energy, and shape your reality. Let's delve deeper into this fascinating world. The universe responds to our intentions and emotions, but how do we effectively communicate with it? Before we can manifest our desires, we must first set our intentions. Consider this the blueprint of what you wish to create. It's a clear, committed thought that acts as a beacon, guiding your energy towards your goal. But it's not enough to just think about what you want. You must fully immerse yourself in the intention, believing in its potential and possibility. Now, imagine your intention is a seed. Just as a seed needs water to grow, your intention requires emotion. Emotion is the universal language, the conduit between our internal energy and the external universe. It's the driving force that amplifies the power of our intentions, transforming our thoughts into tangible realities. When you infuse your intentions with emotion, you're not just thinking about what you want, you're feeling it. You're experiencing the joy, the excitement, the satisfaction, as if your goal has already been achieved. This emotional charge creates a vibrational match between you and your desire, signaling the universe to respond in kind. But how can we ensure that our message is heard loud and clear? This is where visualization comes into play. Picture your goal in your mind's eye, not as a wish or a dream, but as an existing reality. Visualize every detail, every color, every sensation. The more vivid the image, the stronger the signal we send to the universe. Remember, the universe doesn't differentiate between what's real and what's imagined. It responds to the energy we emit. So when you visualize, you're aligning your energy with your goal, creating a powerful magnetic pull that draws your desire into your reality. What's crucial to understand is that intention setting and visualization aren't passive acts. They're active demonstrations of our commitment to our goals. They're the stepping stones that pave the way towards the realization of our dreams. With clear intentions, charged emotions, and vivid visualizations, we set the stage for quantum events. And it's on this stage where our reality begins to shape and shift, responding to the call of our intentions and the echo of our emotions. Our emotions are more than just feelings. They are powerful vibrational frequencies that shape our reality. Each emotion we experience, from the deepest joy to the darkest despair, carries a specific vibrational frequency. These frequencies act like magnets, influencing what we attract into our lives. Take joy, for example. It's a high-frequency emotion, and when we embody joy, we align ourselves with other high-frequency experiences, people, and opportunities. On the other hand, emotions like fear or anger are lower-frequency vibrations that can attract more challenging situations. But here's the exciting part. We are not at the mercy of these emotional frequencies. We are the conductors of our own symphony of feelings. By becoming adept in understanding our emotions, we can choose the frequency we wish to embody. We can consciously shift from a state of worry to one of peace, from fear to courage, from anger to forgiveness. This shift doesn't mean suppressing our emotions. On the contrary, it's about acknowledging our feelings, understanding their origins, and then deciding if they serve our highest good. If an emotion doesn't align with our desires, we can choose to let it go and replace it with one that does. It's a process of emotional alchemy, transforming one emotional state into another. Mastering our emotional landscape isn't always easy. It requires practice, patience, and a healthy dose of self-compassion. But the rewards are immense. Imagine being able to choose joy over despair, love over fear, or peace over chaos. Imagine aligning your emotional frequency with your heart's desires, and watch as the universe responds in kind. So how do we start? It begins with awareness. Pay attention to how you're feeling throughout the day. When you notice a low-frequency emotion, question it. Ask yourself, why am I feeling this way? What can I learn from this? How can I shift to a more empowering emotion? Remember, you are a powerful being of energy. You have the ability to influence your reality by the emotions you choose to embody. By mastering our emotional landscape, we can align our reality with our desires. And that, dear friends, is a power worth cultivating. Coincidences are not just happenstance, but meaningful events guiding us towards our goals. So let's dive into the uncharted waters of synchronicity, a fascinating phenomenon that adds an element of magic to our lives. Synchronicity, as first coined by Carl Jung, refers to the meaningful coincidences that seem too profound to be merely random. These events often show up as unexpected alignments or uncanny connections, subtly hinting that there's a larger plan at play. It's like the universe is winking at us, whispering, "You're on the right track." Now you might wonder, how do we invite such synchronicities into our lives? The answer lies in aligning with our true purpose and staying open to the universe's signs. When we align our energy with our deepest intentions, we send out a beacon, a call to the universe, inviting these magical events to manifest. It's like tuning into a radio frequency. You have to be on the right channel to catch the signal. Similarly, by aligning our thoughts, emotions, and actions with our true purpose, we tune into the frequency of synchronicity. But here's the catch. Recognizing these synchronicities requires a keen sense of awareness. It's about being present, being in the moment, and being ready to act when opportunities present themselves. It's about discerning the difference between mere coincidences and synchronicities that hold deeper meaning. And let's not forget the importance of divine timing. Patience is key. We must understand that everything unfolds in its own time, in perfect alignment with the universe's rhythm. Just as a flower doesn't bloom before its time, our desired reality will manifest when the time is right. So let's stay open, stay aware, and embrace the magic of synchronicity. Let's trust the universe's wisdom and follow the breadcrumbs it leaves us. Because in the grand scheme of things, we're not just passive observers, but active participants in the creation of our reality. Synchronicity is the universe's way of nudging us towards our desired reality. Let's pay attention to these nudges, interpret their significance, and take inspired action. After all, we're co-creators in this grand cosmic play. Transcendence is not just a spiritual concept, but a profound state of oneness with the universe. It's a state where our consciousness expands, our limits dissolve, and we find ourselves immersed in a sea of cosmic energy. This is not a journey of mere miles or years, but a journey of the soul, a journey within. Transcendence is about surpassing our normal limits. It's about breaking free from the chains of our mundane existence and soaring into the realm of the extraordinary. We begin to experience peace, a profound peace that isn't dependent on external circumstances. It's a peace that springs from within, a peace that permeates every fiber of our being. Contentment follows this peace. Not the fleeting contentment that comes from acquiring material possessions, but a deep-seated contentment that arises from the realization of our innate wholeness. It's a contentment that stems from the understanding that we are not separate entities, but interconnected parts of the grand cosmic dance. As we journey towards transcendence, we start to gain profound insights. These insights are not intellectual knowledge, but wisdom born of direct experience. They are revelations that illuminate the path ahead, guiding us closer to our true nature. This journey is also a journey of healing. As we peel away the layers of our false identities, we uncover old wounds and traumas. But in the light of our expanding consciousness, these wounds begin to heal. We start to let go of our past, our fears, and our limiting beliefs, making way for a new reality to emerge. Transcendence is not a solitary journey. As we heal and grow, we contribute to the collective consciousness. Our individual transformation sparks a ripple effect, inspiring others to embark on their own journey towards transcendence. In this state of transcendence, we realize that we are not merely spectators in the theater of life, but active participants in the creation of our reality. We understand that our thoughts, emotions, and actions are powerful tools that can shape the course of our lives. Transcendence allows us to rise above the mundane, embrace our spiritual journey, and actively participate in the creation of our reality.